Good morning, students. So today we shall start with a new topic, that is sign of trigonometric functions. So already tumalake sota trigonometric functions or naam honi sai, that is sine, cosec, sec, cos, tan aru cot. Itia suppose ami jodi e sota trigonometric function jodi ami quadrant formot bohabo hole keneke ami boham ar tar sign bu positive hobo ne negative hobo. Let us try to learn. So now suppose if I draw the axis, so already tumalake jana etu first quadrant, etu second quadrant, etu third quadrant aru etu fourth quadrant, ar protect two quadrant or difference ase 90 degree each. So 0, 90, 180, 270, again return back to 360. Aru jodi radial form likhibo hole ami likhu 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, again 360. So it will go on moving, right? Correct. Now tumalake already jana je pi value 22 by 7 pohisa. Now tumalake jehetu class 11 ot, so tumalake angle hetrot pi value to ki janibo lagibo 180 janibo lagibo. ঠিক আছে, এটা সোয়া ফাংশনস আমার আছে 6টা কিন্তু ভাগ আছে আমার 4টা। হে 6টা ফাংশনক আমি সাইন বু পজিটিভ নে নেগেটিভ কেনেকে আমি ভাগ কৰিব পাৰো সোয়া হিয়াতে। So in the first quadrant গুটেখিনি trigonometric functions যিমান থাকিব গুটেকিটাৰ value, all the values will be what? Positive. Clear? In second quadrant, two functions, that is sine or cosec, both this function will be positive and remaining all other four functions will be what? Negative. Yes, sir. Similarly, in the third quadrant as well, tan and cot will be positive. Baki gute khini ki hobo? Negative hobo. ঠিক তেনেকে সাইন নম্বৰ, that is the last quadrant, fourth quadrant, cos and sec value সদায় ফাংশনটো পজিটিভ থাকিব আৰু বাকিখিনি ভ্যালু সদায় কি থাকিব? নেগেটিভ থাকিব। হেতু কাৰণে আমি এই ৰুলটো নাম কি দিছো? ASTC rule. তো ASTC rule তোমালোকে তো ASTC বাস সার্ভিস জানা, হেতু নহয়, এটো তোমালোকে জানিব লাগিব ASTC rule, that is of trigonometric functions. ঠিক আছে, ASTC মানে কি? ফার্স্ট কোয়াড্রেন্টত all the trigonometric values are positive. সেকেন্ড কোয়াড্রেন্টত কি হয়? সাইন আৰু কসেক টু যেহেতু পজিটিভ হেতু কাৰণে s টু ধৰা হৈছে। থাৰ্ড কোৱাড্ৰেন্টত tan টু cot টু পজিটিভ হেতু কাৰণে t ধৰা আছে আৰু সাইন নম্বৰ কোৱাড্ৰেন্টত cos and sec টু cos, that is positive, and sec is positive হেতু কাৰণে c ধৰা আছে, that is ASTC rule. So এইখিনি বস্তু খুবেই ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হয় আৰু এই ৰুলটো তোমালোকে মনত থব লাগিব, কাৰণ নেক্সট ক্লাছত আমি এইখিনি বেস কৰি অংক আমি সলভ কৰিব লাগিব। আৰু এইটো কোৱাড্ৰেন্টৰ ফৰ্মুলাখিনি বেস কৰি তোমালোকে ফৰ্মুলাজ বু পাবা আৰু সেই ফৰ্মুলাখিনি যদি তোমালোকৰ এই কনসেপ্টটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈছে তো তোমালোকে নিজৰ ফৰ্মুলাটো তোমালোকে মুখস্থ নকৰাকে নিজে তোমালোকে শিকিব পাৰিবা। Okay, suppose now using this ASTC rule, let us see one question. So question is, if cos x equal to minus 3 by 5, okay, minus 3 by 5, and the function is lying in the third quadrant. Okay, so you can see here cos function to third quadrant dot ki hai negative hobo, because third quadrant of tan and cot are positive, baki remaining values are what? Negative. That's why your cos x value is coming to be what? Negative. You are asked to find the other 5 trigonometric functions. So other 5 trigonometric functions. So already in your class 10 you have got 3 functions formula, that is sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, and another was 1 plus cot square x equal to cosec square x. I hope all of you have got this clear. Now see here, so from the first formula we can easily find the value of sin x. So sin x will be root over 1 minus cos square x, that means 1 minus of 3 by 5 whole square, that is root over 1 minus 9 by 25, that is root over 25 minus 9 by 25, that is root over 16 by 25. And we know that hodai root or value hodai ami plus or minus pao, hekarone ma plus minus 4 by 5 likhim. But তোমালোকে এতিয়া পজিটিভ ভ্যালুটো লব লাগিব নে নেগেটিভ ভ্যালুটো লব লাগিব, হেতু ডিপেন্ড কৰে x ৰ ভ্যালু কোট লাই কৰিছে। সো x is lying in what? Third quadrant. So x যদি third quadrantতে লাই কৰি আছে তাৰমানে sin x ৰ ভ্যালুটো আমি কি লব লাগিব? Yes, we have to take the sin x value to be what? the negative, that is sin x value is coming to be what? Minus 4 by 5. Okay, so here we have got what? The sin x amar value to minus 4 by 5 palo. So cosec x to ki hoy 1 by sin x, that is minus 1 divided by 4 by 5. So minus 5 by 4 hol. So cos x is equal to minus 3 by 5 to di asle. So cos x jehetu negative hobo, ami jano je sec x to ki hobo? Negative hobo. ঠিক আছে? Okay, so now 1 plus 10 square x equal to sec square x. Eto tumalake identity already class 10 ot ami paise. So 10 square x equal to sec square x minus 1. That means 10x to hobo root over sec square x minus 1. So ami after we put the values, so already we know the root over value hoday duta value dia, that is plus aru minus. Hetu karone ami plus aru minus 4 by 3 dilu. So 10x to jodi 4 by 3 hoy, that means cot x to value to kiman palo ami 3 by 4 hobo. Aru ami etu karone positive value to loisu karon kele 10x mane x 10 quadrant 10 or aru cot or third quadrant jehetu dia as a condition. So third quadrant duta value hoday ki hoy? Positive hoy. So overall ami likhibo paru the sin x value to minus 4 by 5, cos x to minus 5 by 4, cos x is minus 3 by 5, sec x is minus 5 by 3, 10x will be 4 by 3 and cot x will be 3 by 4. So this is the answer of your question. Clear? This is in terms of value. Okay, student, I hope all of you understood. Suppose now you have to remember some more few formulas. So first formula is when you have a sine function with your minus x, so it will be always minus sin x. Clear? Similarly, cosec x minus x will be what? Minus cosec x. So these are few formulas. Tan of minus x will be minus of tan x. Cot of minus x will be minus cot x. But cos of minus x always generate plus cos x, and similarly sec of minus x always generate minus sec x. Clear? So these are the few more formulas you have to learn. Okay, that is the sign. Okay, my outer personal lesson. Suppose if sec x equal to 13 by 5 where x is lying in fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant kwa karone sec x or value to ki hobo? Plus hobo, because fourth quadrant sec or cos to amai jano jay it is coming to be what? Plus. So let us try to find the remaining trigonometric value. Since sec x equals to 13 by 5, I can write cos x will be what? 5 by 13. Since we know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, so sin square x will be 1 minus cos square x, or sin x will be root over 1 minus cos square x. That means 1 minus 5 by 13 whole square. Root over 144 by 169. So মই তোমালোকক কৈছিলে ৰুটৰ ভ্যালু সদায় প্লাস আৰু মাইনাস দিয়ে 12 by 13 হ'ব। তো যেহেতু x ৰ কোৱাড্ৰেন্টটো কোট লাই কৰিছে তোমালোকৰ fourth quadrant, so in fourth quadrant we know that sin is what? Plus or minus? Yes, it is minus. So we have to write what? 12 by 13. So this was the first value we have got. This is the second value. And opposite of sin x is cosec x. So cosec x will be also what? Minus 13 by 12. Okay. So next is tan x. So tan x to ami janwe ki hoy? Sin x by cos x directly koribo pari. Sin x or value hol minus 12 by 13. Cos x or value hoy 5 by 13. So answer will be minus 12 by 5. ঠিক আছে, যেহেতু আমি মাইনাস এটু কারণে আহিছে বিকজ 10 or value to fourth quadrant কি হয়? Minus হয়। তো e is coming cot x. So cot x is what? Inverse of tan x. So আমি লিখিব পাৰো minus 5 by 12. So in this way, this type of question আমি কৰিব পাৰো। Okay, so তোমালোকক মই কিছুমান হোমৱৰ্ক দিম। এই হোমৱৰ্কখিনি তোমালোকে নিজে অকমান চেষ্টা কৰি চাবা। So now let us see. Suppose based on this question, let us try to understand, find the value of this values. So তোমালোকে দেখিব পৰা এনেকুৱা ইমান ডাঙৰ values বোৰ তোমালোকে এটো ওলোৱা নাই কাৰণ normally তোমালোকে pi by 3 পঢ়িছা, pi by 6 angular পঢ়িছা, pi by 2. So let us try to understand this type of sums with using ASTC rule. Now first of all what you need to do is, since we know that all the angles are associated with either 90, 180, 360, 270, so let us try to break this angle. So sine, suppose if I write 10 pi plus pi by 3, so meaning will be same. That means I have broken up 31 pi by 3 into 2 part, that is 10 pi plus pi by 3. So eto jodi ami LCM lo to 31 pi hobo. ঠিক আছে. Now 10 pi, what you can see here, 10 pi. Now since we know that it is since pi, so we know that the function will be the same. An angle will be pi by 3, but the sign will be plus or minus sign. So eto ami sabo kane ki korim, 10 pi to swa eta moi dekhi disu tumalokok, this is 0, it is pi. From here it is coming again back to 2 pi, again it is going to 3 pi, then it is coming to 4 pi, then 5 pi, then 6 pi. You can see here on the right hand side all are associated with even multiples, and here all are associated with what? Odd multiples. So what we can do here is, since it is 10 pi, that means it will come to the position of 10 pi will be here, right? So now you can see here, so 10 pi logot plus angle jog korisu, quote korisu pi by 3, that means 10 pi position is here. So pi by 3 kwa lagale extra kot jabo first quadrant, or first quadrant sine or value ki hoy plus, so answer will be sine pi by 3. So sine pi by 3 value is what? Root 3 by 2. So sine pi by 3 means what? Sine 60 degree. So 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Clear student? Second is what? Sine or bhitor eta ki ahi gol? Negative angle. So negative angle to ami olof agote moi tumalokok eta formula disilu, sine of ki disilu? Sine of minus x to ki hoy? Minus sine x hoy. To moi minus to uliyai disu. Now 11 pi by 3 to, let us try to break this. So can I write like this or not? Because if I take the LCM 3, so 12 minus 1 will be 11. So itia ki hai gol 4 pi pra angle to ki koroba dise minus, so minus likhilo. So 4 pi, so eta sine ase 4 pi ase, ta mane pi associated logot sine e thakibo, pi by 3 hobo. Angle to jehetu theta to pi by 3 aru pi associate thakile to mo kolu function to same thakibo, kintu yat itia a part to itia sine or value to plus hobo ne minus hobo, etu ami position to loi sam. To 4 pi minus pi by 3 koise. So 4 pi is here. So 4 pi logot angle or pra 4 pi pra minus ko dise. So minus korile it will move what? Backward. To backward angle to kiman hoise? To backward boli kole kuntu quadrant pori gol? Cos. To fourth quadrant. To fourth quadrant sine or value ki hoy? Minus hoy. So what will be the answer? Sine pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. Clear? Next is 10, 19 pi by 3. So keneke ami to break korim? So 10 of moi ki likhbo paru? 6 pi plus pi by 3, karon etu bostu tumalokor nijor opor kotha keneke break kora. ঠিক আছে. So etu jodi moi 18 koro, 18 plus 1 hole 19. So 6, so now you can see here 6 pi ase, pi thoka karone function to 10 e thakibo, or theta to kiman hobo? Pi by 3 hobo, kintu plus ne minus hobo etu depend koribo position. So 6 pi is here, since it is an even multiples of pi, so 6 pi will be here. So pi 6 pi logot angle to plus korise, to plus korar lage lage kuntu quadrant bohibo? First quadrant e bohibo. First quadrant 10 or value plus hai, so it will be plus, so the answer is coming to be what? 10, 60, so the answer is coming to be what? Root 3. So in this way we try to find the values of the angle using ASTC rule. Now let us try to do some more questions. Suppose now find the value of sine 765 degree and cosec minus 1410 degree. Now suppose now it is not in quadrant form, it is in degree form. Now you think, okay, how would you break 765? Suppose if I take 360 degree, 360 into double will be 720 degree. So that means if I write
sine of 2 into 360 degree plus, so since this is 720 degree, this is 65, so extra how much degree is there? 45 degree. Now since if you see here, so 2 into 360 means twice pi. 2 into 360, okay, 2 into 360 will be how much times of pi? Will be 4 times of pi. Clear? So 4 times, that means position will be here. So 4 pi plus 45 degree. Since we know that function will be sine, angle will be 45 degree, it will be plus or minus, it will look at the position. So since 4 pi is here, so 4 pi plus 45, that means it will move to the first quadrant, and first quadrant our value is what? Plus. So the answer to this question will be simply what? 1 by root 2. Clear, students? Okay, see the next question, that is cosec minus 1410 degree. So now, so since it is cosec minus theta, so it will be minus cosec 1410. Okay, so this will be minus cosec. Now if you see 360 logot moi jodi 4 multiply koru, তেতিয়া হলে হ'ব মোৰ 1440 আৰু 10 লাগে, that means মই 1440 degree minus 30 degree লিখিব পাৰো, বা লিখিব পাৰো মই cosec 4 times of 360 degree minus 30 degree. So 4 times of 360 tamane 180, 4 times of 360 tamane tumalokor kiman hobo? 8 times of 180 hobo. 8 times of 180 মানে even multiples at poribo, to 8 times to yat hoy gol. তাৰপৰা এংগলটো কি কৰিব দিছে? মাইনাস কৰিব দিছে, ৰাইট? সো মাইনাস কৰাৰ লগে লগে আমি এংগলটো ক'ত পাম? ফোৰ্থ কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট। ক্লিয়াৰ? সো প্ৰথমতে তোমালোকে কি কৰিবা? মাইনাসটো আগতে লিখি লবা, যোনটো তোমালোকৰ ফৰ্মুলা মাইনাস দিয়া আছে। তাৰপিছত ফাংচনটো লিখিবা। ফাংচনটো কি হ'ব? কসেক হ'ব, বিকজ ইট ইজ 360। কসেক হ'ল, থিটাটো কিমান হ'ব? 30 ডিগ্ৰী। তাৰ পিছত তোমালোকে চাবা কসেকৰ ফাংচনটো মাইনাস হ'ব নে প্লাস হ'ব। তো সিন্স ফোর্থ কোয়াড্রেন্টৰ কসেকৰ ভ্যালু আমি মাইনাস পাওঁ, হেতু কাৰণে আমি কি লিখিম? মাইনাস কসেক 30 ডিগ্ৰী, আৰু মাইনাসে মাইনাসে ফাংচনটো কি হৈ গ'ল? প্লাস। সো কসেক 30 ডিগ্ৰী। সো দ্য আনসাৰ উইল বি হোৱাট? 2। ক্লিয়াৰ ষ্টুডেন্টস? সো প্ৰথমতে সদায় কি লিখিবা? ফাংচনটো আগতে লিখি ল'বা, তাৰপিছত থিটা এংগলটো লিখি ল'বা, তাৰপাছত ফাংচনটো, এই ফাংচনটো বেস কৰি লিখিব লাগিব, কাৰণ এংগলটো ইয়াৰ লগতে জড়িত আছে। সো বেসড অন দিস ফাংচন লাইং ইন হুইচ কোৱাড্ৰেন্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ৰাইট দি সিম্বল। ক্লিয়াৰ? ওকে।